Hey Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. You guys already know who it is. It's Meghan Drexel back with another video. Today's video is all about first impressions. I've done some serious makeup shopping in the past couple weeks. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, or if you guys just want to hang out, you guys know the drill. Go grab a snack and let's just get to beating some face. Okay, so of course I went ahead and I primed my eyes, but today I didn't do my eyebrows because I do have a few new brow products that I want to try. But I'm just going to go ahead and jump into my shadow, and then once I get to brows, you know, we'll get there. I don't know. You guys know I hate doing my eyebrows. Today's victim of choice is the Kylie Jenner's Summer Palette. Ooh. Okay, so I haven't touched it, opened it since I got it. I've had it for a while. It's really cute, except you know what? I've noticed every time I get a Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette, legit, there's always like some type of dust right here, and I'm not feeling it. So I don't know what the hell's going on over there, but y'all need to get it together. I damn near struggle with the names on the back. Okay, don't judge me. Honestly, I wish I knew how this works, but I don't. So I'm gonna take this color right here, and of course, as always, what's new? We're gonna start in the crease. And I'm just going to start right in the center of the eye. Ooh, that's a good color. Oh wow, that's a lot peachier than I was anticipating. That's for sure. I'm going to take a little bit of that cream color, this color right here, and I'm taking it on my 224 brush, and I'm just going to brush it up against the brow bone to diffuse that harsh line. Seemed to blend that color very seamlessly, and it gave me like a really pretty soft brown effect. Just to give like this inner corner a bit of like a contour, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm using my Morphe 514 brush per usual. And I'm just kind of mapping out my future nose contour. The next color I want to take is going to obviously be this shade right here down at the bottom. Start working this on the outer corner. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I wish I could tell you guys the name. I don't know. I'm going in with that color in my 514 brush. And I'm gonna start buffing it on the outside corners. You guys, I cannot believe that fall is already almost here. My mom is super into scrapbooking, and she was showing me a Big Lots haul of fall decor that just came out. So in the next couple of weeks, be prepared for the background to change. We're gonna have gold pumpkins. It's gonna be real nice and cute. Going to go ahead and I'm gonna take that dark purpley color. It's like a purpley burgundy. Oh no, I lied. I thought it was gonna be more purpley, honestly. That's like a very true burgundy eyeshadow you don't see too often. I'm taking that color right onto my M514 Morphe brush. Okay. Ocra. Let's move on. What color do I want to do on the lid? I'm really gravitating towards this color, so let's start with this color. So I'm gonna try it first without any setting spray on the brush, and then I'll try it with some setting spray on the brush. Wow, that's actually a really pretty color, you guys. Wow, that is gorgeous. Speaking of fall, it looks like fall just threw up on my eye. I really don't think I need to put any setting spray on this eyeshadow because I feel like the pigment is just kind of unreal right now. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this color because it's more of a champagne color. There's a lot of fallout right there. And I'm gonna bring this up and over. Ooh, that is so pretty. What do I want to do? Should we leave it like this, or should we I think we should leave it like this, except I want to blend underneath my eyes. Going in under my eyes with my Sigma E36 brush, I'm going to pick up that first transition color, which was this shade right here, and I'm going to start blending it underneath my eyes. There's just like a good amount of fallout, which typically does not bother me at all. I feel Subculture from Anastasia was like, it was such a controversial palette, but because I think that they're pressed pigments, I don't mind it as much, but for whatever reason, I'm not really getting any color payoff for the amount of fallout, and I don't like that. I switched over to It's My Ray Ray pencil brush. This has actually become one of my favorite brushes. I'm gonna try to just make something work under here, because I feel like it's not sticking, and it could be because I don't have any concealer on. That's what it might be. Going in with my Morphe M508 brush, I'm taking that dark brown color again. Do you guys see all that fallout? I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take this brown color right here, and I'm buffing it really close. Okay, this is not showing up like at all. We're gonna go in with that burgundy shade again, and I'm gonna connect it to the outer corners. Okay, so I went ahead, I did my moisturizer and my under eye cream. I'm gonna spray my face with Smashbox Photo Finish Serene Greens water primer. I am such a sucker for things that smell like cucumber. I have two new primers. I have No Pore Blem Primer, and this is Touch in Soul. Smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup. This is what it looks like. I don't know, I've never heard of this before. Wow, this feels amazing. A little bit goes so far. Okay, so it's going all around my face because I used way too much. I feel like Tarte and L'Oreal's is a bit thicker. This one like actually travels, because I feel like Tarte and L'Oreal's like you just put it down and it barely moves. I have a new primer and it arrived from Sephora without the bottom. I don't know why. This is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in Tres Leches in that shade 320G. I'm kind of shocked at the bottle because it's so plasticky. I just felt like for $40, like I would like some glass, or I don't know, like it's very bulky for a foundation. But I am so nervous about this, you guys, because the amount of fragrance in here is absolutely insane. I'm gonna actually just pump it right onto my brush. Okay, I do like the coverage of this foundation. You guys know I am a cake queen. This is actually such a good color. I feel like this color is super comparable to like maybe MAC Studio Fix NC 40 or maybe NC 37. So far this foundation is popping. Ocra! Next, I have a brand new highlight and contour, the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It says Conceal, Contour. It says Conceal, Contour, Highlight, and Retouch. The color for my highlight that I'm going to be using is the shade Vanilla. And typically, I feel like I would color correct, but I feel like the amount of coverage in here should be good enough. That's probably way too much, but I don't care. If you've been here for a hot minute, you know I'm a concealer junkie. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a flat concealer brush and I'm gonna actually drop it, kind of sketch out. And then I'm gonna take a blending eyeshadow brush and I will blend that out. That concealer is nice. A lot of people have been talking about the Born This Way foundation, and the very first time I tried it I was not a fan of it, so I didn't end up purchasing it because I just got a sample. But I was thinking maybe I'll get a sample again and I'll give it another chance, because The concealer is just making my panties wet, and I'm here for it. Taking a Sephora number 27 Pro Blending Brush, and we're just gonna blend this baby out. I don't know how I feel about this concealer because I really want to like it, but I just don't know if it's the right color because I feel like, especially right in here, is that I can see a lot of purples and blues and whatnot. So now I'm taking the shade Chestnut and I'm gonna contour. So let me get my big ass 5 head real quick. You're gonna need extra for that big ass 5 head. I'm taking my beloved Real Techniques contour brush and we're just gonna start diffusing this little baby. I just don't think I'm happy with this coverage of concealer, guys. Underneath my eyes at least. Oh, the struggle to lose weight has been so real, you guys. I know I normally don't like get personal or talk, and that was because I was always worried about my camera overheating, but now that's not. I feel like you guys can get to know me a little bit better because I don't have to stress and worry about when I'm gonna get cut off. I've been struggling with my weight for a hot minute, and it's not something easy to talk about, but I want to talk about it because, one, I know I'll feel better, and two, maybe you guys can relate. I used to smoke cigarettes a lot, and that was my own personal decision. Like, nobody forced that on me. I did that all on my own. And I think I also did it because I used to be so stressed out at the job I was at, and it allowed me to go outside, get some fresh air, kind of regroup, get away from everybody and everything, and then just kind of like think things out and then go back into work mode. And I was so bad. I think it was also just like a habit of hand to mouth when I was driving, but I was smoking cigarettes for a while there. And I was smoking a lot. I think I was going through a pack or a pack and a half a day. And it wasn't until I got with my boyfriend that he was like, dude, that's like disgusting. You should probably not be smoking that much or smoking at all because it's gross. And I was like, yeah, you're right. So I quit cold turkey, and my weight used to fluctuate between 115 and 120. Well, when I quit smoking, I got my appetite back, and I wasn't living off cigarettes and caffeine anymore, and so the weight just kind of started sticking. I've gained a good 30 pounds, and then when I hurt my back in December of last year, I didn't know what to expect, what the doctors were gonna say, and pretty much my doctor was like super blunt, which I appreciate, but at the same time, I won't lie, it kind of did really hurt my feelings. They said that I was obese for my height and that I need to lose a good amount of weight. It's always been in the back of my mind, like I need to lose weight. And so I started the keto diet, which in just the first like 3 weeks, I lost 12 pounds. And then my boyfriend and I took off to Oregon, and it just kind of like threw everything off for me. And I think I'm just having a really hard time because I'm so uncomfortable in my skin all the time that I struggle between being motivated and just giving up because I feel like I'm not getting anywhere and I'm not seeing the results as fast as I would like to, which I'm sure is true for so many people on a weight loss journey. But, you know, being athletic my whole life and being on the slimmer side, I think it's really taken a toll on my self-esteem, and I just want to lose the weight, and I need to practice patience, and I'm just having a hard time with it. So next week I'm going to try to make sure that I am doing what needs to be done to take my health more serious. I can only hope and pray that I find the motivation. My boyfriend is so good. He really encourages me, like, you know, you gotta do what's best for you. And so I'm so proud of him. He's lost so much weight. We both gained weight. And he's lost so much weight, and he's just been really grinding it out at the gym, which also in turn motivates me. Sorry, your girl's hot talking about this because I'm getting nervous, but I'm just really proud of him, and it's super motivating. So I went ahead and I just set my under eyes with Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Powder. I'm going to use the Morphe M437 brush. And then this is just Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So I bought the KKW Brightening Pressed Powders. They are as small as everybody said that they were. So I bought shade number 1 and number 3 because I truly did not know which one would be better for my skin tone. I think I want to go with the more yellow tone. I'm going to use this Morphe 536 face brush. And this, I remember everybody was saying it has like a pearlescent finish. Show does. It looks great on camera. I just don't know how I feel about it in person. Okay, and then next, of course, I'm going to go in with the I Love Set of Heat and Dose of Colors Bathe highlighter. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so I wore Soulmate yesterday, which is more of a gold. And don't get me wrong, I love a good gold highlight, but lately I have been purchasing ones that are more pink. I also got a new blush. This is number 193 Charming by L'Oreal. This is a Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush. If you guys have not smelled this line, it literally gives Too Faced a run for its money. It smells like peaches. Oh, I love it. I typically like darker blushes like this because I just like a wash of them. I'm going to take my Caudalie spray. I'm going to take the butt end of the sponge. You guys know the drill. I'm going to get off camera. I'm going to do my eyeliner and some mascara, and then I will be right back. The next thing I want to do is pop on my lashes, and I'm going to be using Lilly lashes for Sephora collection, and this is in the style Rome. I need to pop these on. And I purchased this eyelash curler, if you guys can see it. I purchased it from Sephora, and it's the Sephora collection. I believe it was only $12. It's super cute. Comes with the extra little pink spongy thing. And once I'm done applying my lashes, I like to just go ahead and use this to mesh my real eyelashes and the falsies together. I feel like this is the equivalent of pinching them together with your finger. I want to go ahead and do my waterline, and I'm going to be using the Sephora Waterproof Contour Eye Pencil 12-Hour Wear, and this is in the shade Coconut. It's like a matte peachy color. The products that I was super excited to talk about today that I have tried recently is the Salon Perfect On Point Tri-Tip Brow Marker, and this is in the shade Universal Taupe. I found this at Walmart. I know that L'Oreal recently came out with one, but basically what it is a tri-tip marker. It has like 3 little teeth. It kind of looks like a fork, but it's a marker for your brows, and it's supposed to give you that microbladed effect. So I do it right in the front of the brow and then right in the arch of my brow. And you guys can already tell the difference between this brow and this brow. I love it. And then what I do is once I have that mapped out, so again, I only do the front and then the top arches of my brow. Once I have that done, then I'll go in with my Kat Von D medium brown longwear pomade, and I just kind of fill in and sketch out the rest of my brow. Alrighty, Glam Fam, last but not least, let's do our lips really quickly. So for my lip color, I'm going to be using all Natasha Denona products. The lip liner is in the shade Medium Nude. The lipstick that I'm going in with is number 48 Ocra. Just because I want to see what it looks like, I'm going to use the lip glaze for 18 Flesh. Alright, Glam Fam, that is it for today's video. If you guys are new here and you stuck around and hung out with us, I really hope that you guys consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you guys a part of the Glam Fam. I had so much fun filming this video for you guys. If you guys like videos like this, go ahead and just give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, until next time, I will catch you all in my next video. Bye, guys.